That's the June
That's
expiry.
June. That's June expiry.
Yeah,
Okay.
so probably sometime around the mid of this month to the third week, I'll shift over to the September expiry. So the MES or the ES, the NQ, the index futures, they expire on quarterly basis, not monthly basis. So
Hmm.
and then once the volume starts being more over into the September expiry over the June expiry, I'll switch over to that. So
Okay.
that's kind of how it works. The other interesting news that I don't think a lot of people saw was U.S. generals met with the Cuban military at the Guantanamo Bay fence. So, talking. So,
Okay.
background news there. So, who knows what's going to
That's good,
happen
man.
down there? That's kind of the underground, right? The back end of the four different other things that the market cares about. So,
Were they talking nicely or
yeah, I'm assuming
okay.
we met on neutral ground, right?
It wasn't
Cuba's territory and our territory. So,
it wasn't like
face to
those
face.
dogs that bark at each other through a fence and then you open the fence and then they all go quiet.
Yeah.
Close the fence,
Yeah,
they
who
start barking
knows?
at each other again.
Yeah. So military to military. At least we're talking. That's the way I see it.
It's good.
If you're talking, it's good. It's when you're not talking that bad things occur. Like, you know,
Yeah.
because if you're talking, there's always opportunity to end the hostilities or prevent hostilities or whatever could occur, right? But once
Yeah.
you stop talking and you're like, I'm not talking to you, well, at that point, who knows what's going to happen? You know, so I'm hoping for Cuban cigars to be able to buy those in the U.S. eventually.
That's what I put in chat.
So,
John was like,
oh,
"Time for
did you?
Cuba to get him." Yeah, it says John is like, "Time for Cuba to get McDonald's," and I say yes, and us Cuban cigars. So it's a great trading deal here that could happen.
Yeah. Heck yeah,
Oh
you get
man,
McDonald's, we get Cuban cigars.
everybody
I'm all
wins.
for it.
Yeah,
So,
everybody
yeah,
wins.
everybody wins.
Wow, look at
So,
IBM, guys.
and I made the mistake of going to
To where?
Ben in there saying time for him to get a Costco. That reminded me that I made the mistake of going to Costco yesterday.
Oh.
So, and I don't drink tequila, but me and my wife we bought this World Cup Memorial tequila bottle. So,
Okay.
yeah, let me go get it. I'll be right
What
back.
what are you
Yeah,
gonna do with it if you don't drink it? Guess we'll find out. He's gonna show it to us.
let's go get it. I like it.
He's a sucker for any of these souvenir stuff, man. He keeps buying
He likes his cups, coffee, drinking. He likes
cups,
his
souvenir.
souvenir, and
Yeah.
yeah, it's
So he
good.
bought it for the bottle because he doesn't plan to drink the tequila.
Mm.
So
See
yeah.
what we got here.
Is it?
Oh, oh, it's like the
Let me see.
bottle is a ball. It's in the shape of a soccer
Yeah,
ball.
I'm trying to get it in there. There we go. Yep. So it's a
How do you
ball.
drink?
And then the bottom of it is where the tequila is.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
It's a cork and it comes out.
Oh,
oh,
Yeah.
that's
that
So,
looks
pretty nice
that looks
though.
like
It's
it'll
pretty
be
nice.
very difficult to pour.
oh, yeah, very difficult to pour. But
Yeah,
I've
yeah.
come to the conclusion that Sam's Club and Costco have officially siphoned me out of money based off of alcoholic marketing schemes. So the
I got you
weekend
buying a
before was
bucket. You
garage
bought the
beer
bucket.
bucket,
It was the
All
bucket
right.
of beer. Yeah.
and now I got a sucker bowl filled with tequila that I won't even drink.
Oh,
My wife's
you.
like, it was my wife that wanted it too. It wasn't me. My wife's like, yeah, buy that. I'll sell that in 10 years. It'll be worth some money. Watch. I'm like, okay.
All right. Well, don't drop it then. Keep it
Yeah, I
pristine.
can't drop it. I can't drop it. I gotta, it comes in this really nice case too. It's,
No, nice.
it, it's nice. So, but Costco, never go there on a weekend. It's a madhouse.
Oh, I bet.
Madhouse. So,
I bet. I bet.
it's the interesting level, I think, right now for SPY is the 755-ish level, right? Yesterday's low, like, are we going to, or Friday's low? Are we, is it Friday's low or yes, Friday's high? It's one of those. We just keep bouncing off of it. We don't go lower, but we can't really continue higher. So it's just bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Sit back, set some alerts on your stocks, on whatever you're trading, and wait for the fun to begin.
Agreed.
And be patient. Turn on your speakers, turn the volume up really loud, let the alert go off to come back. See you, Frank. So, beginning of June, the wonderful summer. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a boring day. 2026.
Still haven't found a trade I like yet. I'm watching now for reversals because we have, of course, crossed the 1030 threshold. So I was looking at AMD, for example. Did it look like it was? It sort of looked like it was topping right after 1030, but I didn't like it enough to take it short, and I'm happy that I didn't. So far, it's just been moving sideways. I mean, this market, look at the SPY. That's you do get
It's
days that
just
are like this,
ugly.
but you don't get that many days that it just goes dead sideways like that.
I know.
Yeah.
It's just
But
bounded.
even within this dead sideways, man, like you look at IBM, like there's some tickers that are just moving actually pretty well within this. So somehow. But yeah.
There you go, Pedro. SMCI, lots of orders at 50. So
Friends over on
That's what I
YouTube,
see.
hit that thumbs up. By the way, just a reminder if you haven't done so already, we're sitting at 364. 500 allows us to do one of our giveaways for you guys, for everyone here, not just Lambos and Garbage Truck members, but for everyone. So if you haven't had the opportunity to do so, today will be a good time to do it. Yeah,
Everybody gets to play.
that's right.
Yeah.
Although if we don't get it today, it'll be okay because I think the hashtag today might not be pretty. So I think
no, you can't use that. Don't.
Hi, you have to use whatever's been in play, and
No, come on.
we know it's been in play, and it's one of my favorite songs, by the way. One of my favorite songs.
what did I miss?
Is named that best song of all time. I think Golden.
Golden.
Best song.
Golden.
Best song of all time. Hey, absolutely.
Oh my
Oh,
goodness.
now I get
Best
it.
song of all time. All time. I mean, it's
Nah,
just
come on, man.
streaming, movie, record breaking, you name it. Whether you like it or not, the numbers don't lie, man. Good stuff.
I missed something clearly with.
Oh,
with
if you didn't
that
watch the
video.
stream, I was put onto something, Mike, that they didn't know existed. So yeah,
We-
Peter does not want to
we
revisit. Peter does
educated-
not want to
we
revisit
educated
at
Carlos
all.
indirectly because we were talking about trading strategies. Admittedly, it started innocently enough. We were focused on the task at hand, and then everyone out there, it's all your fault. All
went
y'all
south
just
quickly.
Caused problems. Yeah, caused problems. Yeah. So,
Yeah. Oh,
Boom.
yeah, today's gonna be a quiet day.
Somebody get the man in timestamp. Oh yeah, definitely we'll give Mike a timestamp of that.
Yep.
When that occur.
Wet and dirty. Oh boy.
yeah. Anyways. All right, Tesla is playing with the 420 level. We know that that's always been
Oh,
a number
yeah.
of
There we go.
particular interest to Tesla. So here it is.
Tesla. What do we got on Tesla? Yeah, still got orders all the way down to 418. Kind of tiered too. 419, 418, 60 a little bigger than 418. Yeah. Tesla. AMD still pushing high. Nvidia sold off at 222. Apple sold off. What did Microsoft do? Microsoft gapped and then pulled back all day.
Yeah, been back and forth.
In
Hasn't
true
really done
Microsoft
much.
fashion.
Yeah, yeah.
Look at this big gap I have, everybody. Look at me pushing up in the pre-market. Ha, thought I was going higher, didn't y'all?
Mhm.
And then it dies out, of course. Nothing there for it.
Yep.
What did I trade? I traded POTR. So question is, what did I trade today? Just POTR, guys. We had here's the trades. We had 2 trades. Again, this has been all day, right? It's just getting like 1.5 hour, 1 hour. So we went long here, got a partial, stopped out. Short here, got a partial and stopped out. So we just have not been able to get big moves. In the morning session, things are looking a little bit better now, as we're kind of showing you here, but still a lot of sideways and a lot of stuff that we've been watching. So you got MU up, MU hitting 1,000, Mike.
Yeah, 1,000, trying to
Madness.
push through 1,040. This is just insane.
It's
$13
wild,
stop.
man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the
I think at MU, I think a $13 stock, beginning learning to trade, take this
know,
nice,
that's a-
easy 1 cent risk, move slow. Yeah.
nope.
Now look at this thing.
Not now. Wow, look at Tesla. Tesla still has Atlas still shows there's weakness on Tesla down the next $2 to 419 and 418. I was looking for a potential bounce. Look at the volume that it put in just 2 minutes ago when it hit the low there, but Atlas still shows there's weakness in it. Keep an eye on it here, see what it does.
Oh, yeah, definitely look at that volume. And yep,
There you go.
here's
There's a new low on
Not
Tesla.
done yet.
No, it doesn't look like it. Yeah. Okay. So Tesla, Atlas to the rescue, helps us be clear. We know where the orders are, where it's likely to go to. We'll see what it does. Again, that volume was compelling at 10:52.